As the private equity landscape in Asia-Pacific continues to evolve, what are the emerging opportunities and trends firms should watch for? Well, joining me today from Singapore is Luke Pius, EY Asia-Pacific Private Equity Sector Leader, and Kirk Shimizu Ishii, EY Japan Private Equity Sector Leader based in Tokyo. Let's start with you, Luke.
Private equity is actually evolving into a multi-strategy asset class. So there's a lot of interest that they have now in infrastructure, in real estate, as well as in private credit, which is actually built to be the future of finance. On the geography side, PEs are actually looking at their strategies across different markets. And wherever they have white space, they are either setting up offices or they are actually acquiring firms. So we are starting to see some consolidation play out in the industry.
Kirk, Japan has been a bright spot in the Asia-Pacific private equity landscape. Why has Japan performed so well?
Firstly, the weakened yen has definitely increased the appeal of Japanese private equity investments for US dollar-based investors. Added to that, shareholder activism fueled by corporate governance reforms has really reshaped the way institutional investors here kind of engage with management teams here. And, they scrutinize management strategies and the way the boards are effective. Ultimately, this is leading to increased non-core divestitures by conglomerates.
Now, what type of deals and which sectors are particularly attractive for private equity investment in Asia-Pacific?
There are a few megatrends that are shaping private equity investment in the region. The first one would be a more demanding consumer. There's a big impact from digital and AI, and that is actually having implications across industries. Another key megatrend is the energy transition. And that again has quite wide-ranging consequences and effects. And then we have realignment of the global supply chain. And that involves quite significant realignment of assets, realignment of ecosystems and all of that.
And Kirk, your thoughts?
There's a strong agreement on the importance of sustainable manufacturing, particularly with the global push toward net zero emissions. In Asia, there is an agreement that we are behind the curve in terms of transitioning our business to become more green. And this requires massive investments by companies to make this transition. Various investment strategies, infrastructure funds, impact funds are being deployed to help corporates in making this transition to become more sustainable.
Well, thank you both for those great insights.
Saranjit, thanks for having me.
Thanks for having us, Saranjit.